October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month, but one local expert says that when it comes to protecting your accounts, it is something that we should be thinking about all year long. Sergio Krull shows us how new technology called passkeys could make passwords a thing of the past. Sergio.
So I spoke with a cybersecurity expert from the Rochester Institute of Technology, and what he said was some of the current methods that we use to protect our information, such as passwords and PIN codes, may be replaced by what is called passkeys. But until that happens, we need to make sure that we continue to protect ourselves. Now, as we all know, passwords could be, really hard to remember and easy for criminals to steal. Passkeys, they work differently. Any phone or device that you may have stores a private digital key that never leaves the device. It only works on real websites it was created for, which means even fake sites cannot trick it. Now, until passkeys are everywhere, he says we need to still make sure we all be smart with the passwords that we use. So I know some folks like to use different verification methods such as text messages, but he says scammers can actually reroute them through what is called a SIM swap attack.
Don't reuse passwords on more than one site, because if you do, the cyber criminals will try a credential stuffing attack, which means they try your username and password on multiple sites. And if one site is breached, you could be vulnerable on multiple sites.
Yeah. And here are some things to remember. Use an authenticator app. Make sure that your passwords are long and unique. Keep your phone and apps updated. Avoid some of those fun social media quizzes. And of course, back up any files that you may have. Now, we all want to make sure that we protect ourselves and make it harder for hackers to get our information and make it easier for us. Now, he also went on to say that it's not about the frequency of changing your passwords, but it's all about the complexity of it. So we want to make sure that we make it as hard as possible for some of these bad actors. Passkeys, they may be the future, but for now, we got to take every step necessary. I'm Sergio Krull, Spectrum News.